In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Gmail to Basecamp. This integration can streamline your workflow, ensuring that important emails are automatically logged into your Basecamp projects, keeping everything organized in one place. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects your apps and services, allowing them to work together without any manual effort. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once you're logged into Zapier, you'll want to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow between your apps. On the Zapier dashboard, look for the option to create a new Zap. Click on it, and this will take you to a setup page where you can configure your Zap from start to finish. Next, it's time to set your trigger. The trigger is an event that starts your Zap. In this case, we'll choose Gmail as the trigger app. From the list of apps, find and select Gmail. This tells Zapier that you want to initiate the Zap whenever something specific happens in Gmail. After selecting Gmail, you'll need to choose a trigger event. This could be something like receiving a new email or a specific label being applied to an email. Choose the event that best suits your needs. For instance, if you want every new email to trigger the action, select that option and move to the next step. Now, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Gmail account. Zapier will need access to your Gmail in order to track the trigger events, so click on the sign in button and enter your Gmail credentials. Make sure you're allowing Zapier the necessary permissions to read your emails for the triggers to work properly. With your Gmail account connected, it's time to test the trigger. Zapier will pull in some recent data to ensure everything is set up correctly. This is an important step to make sure your Zap will run smoothly. Click to test and review the data Zapier finds. If everything looks good, you're ready to proceed. Now, let's set up the action part of your Zap, which involves Basecamp. For the action app, choose Basecamp from the list. This means that whenever your Gmail trigger event occurs, it will prompt an action in Basecamp. Once Basecamp is selected, you'll need to choose an action event. This is what you want to happen in Basecamp when the Gmail trigger fires. It might be creating a new message, to-do, or even a project. Select the action that aligns with your workflow needs. Before proceeding, you'll need to sign into your Basecamp account. Click the Sign In button, and just like with Gmail, provide your credentials and allow Zapier to access your Basecamp account. This connection is essential for the automation to work. Finally, it's time to test the action. Zapier will simulate the entire process to ensure that the action in Basecamp triggers as expected based on the Gmail trigger. Carefully review the test results to confirm everything is functioning correctly. If all looks well, you've successfully created a Zap that connects Gmail to Basecamp. This simple guide has shown you how to automate your workflow using Zapier, integrating Gmail with Basecamp seamlessly. Now you can enjoy a more organized and efficient project management experience. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.